VDM, very dark black man, you have been compromised, and I'm going to prove it today. And I want to tell you that you have no right, you have no pedigree to talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When you talk about Igbo, I am an Igbo man, even though, yes, I am from Rivers State. Igbos are not only in the southeast, they are also everywhere. Do you understand? Now, I want to expose you because many people don't know you. I am following you and I trust you so much. But after watching that video made about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I got to know that you have been compromised. They have paid you to say some things you don't even have right to say. Share this video. Let him get to him. I will open your eyes, you that is watching this video, to understand who that man is. What right has VDM to talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Or are you Tinubu, or are you Nigerian government that would tell us that he has to stay there for 20 years or so? Do you have such right? Who is giving you that information? Are you speaking with Tinubu? Who are you? Let me tell you what that man VDM has come to do. Number one, the lie he said, and I quote him, that Southeast governors or leaders and high businessmen from the Southeast are the ones holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not Tinubu. Nobody except those people. Now, let me ask you one question. Does this sit at home? When they sit at home, does it favor businessmen? The answer is capital no. Now, does VDM know that if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released today, that when they sit at home in the Southeast will stop? Big yes. So does it connect? Number two, so why will he say that high businessmen from Southeast are the ones, together with the leaders of the Southeast, are the ones holding him? So the businessmen, I have exonerated them now. It's very clear. Now let me tell you what happened about the Southeast leaders. He said they are the ones, because if you point at this person, you will not go to that city. You will not go. If you point to this person, you will go. You will go. Can you show me any video of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu telling people to go and vote for this person or vote for that person? Has he done that for once? No. All he has always said is no election in the Southeast. At the end of the day, he will say, okay, go and vote. He hasn't pointed at anybody. He's not a politician. So why do you lie? Why do you have to lie against that man? Okay, let's say that Nnamdi Kanu will point, will say, this one don't go, this one go. Now, do you think that vote works in this country? If vote works, you think the governor of Imo State will be on that seat today? Do you think he will be Hope Uzodinma? He will not be on that seat. Now, let me open your eyes about those Eastern governors. They were deceived by the federal government. Let me tell you what you don't know. They were asked to bring this man. If you need presidency, Fulani are very calculative. I know now the people who hold this country, now them they give them sense. I know. They said to them, if you need that seat, that presidency you are looking for, you will get it. But give us Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's just like you going to bank. Bank will tell you, for me to give you this money, give us this as your collateral. And they did. And after giving your collateral, the bank refused to give you the money and refused to release your collateral for you. Won't you ask for your collateral? Let me tell you, the Southeast leaders are genuinely going for him to be released. Buhari said no. Transferred to Tinubu. Tinubu said no. They are the one holding him. Genuinely, you are trying to cause problem to make, as in good Nigerians, And Igbo people that are campaigning for his release, let them go and sit down and relax. So let them stop talking about it and say, oh, my Southeast governors, my businessmen, now them hold them. Make we sit back. They'll begin to see them. I know the leaders, I know Southeast leaders might not be good. Yes, yes, yes. They are doing so many things that are wrong. But in this one, they are genuinely going for him. I will expose a lot of things about you. And you made mention about peacemaking. Soludo have come out to say that these people, his followers, that they reached out to them and they have given everything they have. His second in command, have made a broadcast several times and have said that these leaders of Southeast have called us, asked us to submit the arms, Eastern Security Network, make you surrender, so that they will do what? Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is what the federal government says. And they did that, surrendered. At the end of the day, nothing happened. So now, are you going to be blaming the Southeast leaders? No. They were told no. Yes, we asked you to do this. You did it, but we cannot release this man. They are genuinely asked. In fact, I don't want this video to be too long. Let me do part 2 of it. And it might get to part 3 because VDM has been sent to do something that he will not finish.